Choosing the right drug detox center. Drug addiction has been around for a number of years now. It has been one of the biggest problems that need to be resolved as soon as possible. The good news is that hundreds of facilities are now available to help drug addicts recover from their addiction. And one of the most widely recognized is the Drug Detox Center. The Drug Detox Center was in the first place established to provide the drug addicts the right place to go for recovery. The drug detox centers typically act like drug rehabilitation centers that they offer services geared toward the development and betterment of the affected parties. However, just like the rest of the institutions in the world, drug detox centers differ significantly according to their philosophies, credentials, qualifications, programs and services, and staff capabilities. The cost of the services may also vary according to the quality of what is offered. With such differences, finding and choosing the right drug detox center can be a bit puzzling and confusing. There are a lot of options you need to take into consideration, and each of these options is to some degree unique from the others. Because of this, choosing the right drug detox center must be done carefully and properly. Your decision will affect your future, after all. So when choosing the right drug detox center, evaluate the center by asking all the possible questions. Ask about their philosophy on addiction and how they treat people affected by such condition. It would also be best if you'll ask the Drug Detox Center about their qualifications and credentials. Note that there are some out there which offer services that are not genuine and credited, so don't be fooled by these scams. If possible, conduct a thorough research on the background of the Drug Detox Center you are considering. Another important move to take when choosing the right drug detox center is to know all the programs offered by the institution. As mentioned earlier, the program options may differ, so find out exactly what truly suits your needs. Look at how the center handles the detoxification processes, what materials or equipments are used, as well as what supporting medications are offered for quick recovery. It would also be best if you'll consider counseling, as it can be useful for the patient to recovery as fast as possible. Counseling is in fact offered by almost all drug detox centers simply for emotional and psychological support. Just be careful when choosing the right drug detox center. Scrutinize everything involved and pick up only the choice that truly answers all your recovery needs. As simple as that.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.